Infrastructure is entering a new era, shaped by decarbonization and digitalization. We at Ardian have been monitoring those new market trends, and we are well positioned to respond to them. Private infrastructure is built on a long-term vision to develop essential assets for our society.
The world is facing a 15 trillion infrastructure gap by 2040. This highlights the ongoing need for increased investment and innovative financing solutions to build and maintain essential infrastructure worldwide.
Ardian is a market leader and has cultivated its differentiated strategy over 20 years. The team aims to create value by managing risk and seeking to improve operational performances through industrial expertise and technology.
Ardian's infrastructure strategy has delivered returns for LPs over time, and Ardian's strong track record has supported our recent record fundraising.
We remain focused on the objective of delivering resilient performance across economic cycles.
Now, we're opening the door to private investors, offering access via Ardian Access Infrastructure.
Ardian Access Infrastructure gives investors the opportunity to invest in an evergreen fund, providing access to a diversified and dynamic infrastructure portfolio.
The Evergreen structure makes investing in infrastructure more accessible, offering reduced minimums compared to traditional funds. It also includes features intended to improve deployment and liquidity.
This allows private investors to invest alongside Ardian's institutional investors, leveraging our long-standing track record, deal flow, and relationships in direct, secondary, and co-investment infrastructure.
With a single investment, investors gain exposure across different trends, sectors, geographies, and vintage years, with the objective of reducing risk.
As one of the market leaders in infrastructure investing, we've seen the asset class can provide features to investors such as recurring cash yield, inflation protection, resilience, and lower correlation and volatility compared to some other asset classes. We therefore believe it is an attractive addition to investor portfolios.
Our multi-regional team leveraged a global and local network to source and manage infrastructure assets across digital, energy, and transport. The need for digital infrastructure to support growing data and AI demand, the energy transition, and the improvement of our aging transportation infrastructure represent a vast universe of opportunities.
Ardian Access Infrastructure leverages on our long-standing expertise and scale in the infrastructure market. We focus on supporting companies in becoming more resilient and more valuable by applying our industry expertise and advanced technology.
Through Ardian Access Infrastructure, you can access all that Ardian has to offer within infrastructure investing, aiming to provide a core building block for diversified investment portfolios.
Those who act with conviction today will shape the future of connectivity, economic growth, and well-being for generations to come.